Right, let's crack on with these now, and I'm going to build up our Glade banner bearer. So need 5 and 6 to begin with, which is over here. I don't really tell this is going to be a pain. Look at the positioning of some of these elements, these things that I got cut off. 5, 6, and then number 12 as a body. Let's find number 12 over here. Okay, let's get these tidied up and ready to roll. And you can see there's quite a few like heavy sprue points on these. And unfortunately, it's next to some very brittle parts in some cases. Been having a good look as well at what's coming out in the new Old Hammer. I'm really hoping to get hold of both the Tomb Kings and Bretonnia and put them together for you, because I'm sure that's absolutely essential right now, to be quite honest. You know, so hopefully that'll be coming up soon. On a positive note, for those 40k fans as well, well, I'm going to be starting that collection soon. Again, with this one, it's the same thing where you have to kind of loop the branches around each other to get it on. Yeah, so I'm going to have lots more building videos coming up soon of lots of different battle forces, so that will be coming up with the new part works. They'll still be carrying on Stormbringer, which should be fun. And then, yeah, hopefully I'll be building the Tomb Kings and Bretonnia quite soon, fingers crossed. So I'm going to have a busy few months, right when, well, I probably should be stopping because I'm moving house. Good thing is they won't be mine, they'll be my brother's, the Old Hammer stuff. Oddly enough, the 2 kits that they decided to release for Old Hammer are kits that I don't actually collect. It's kind of annoying, you might guess. So I've told my brother, you know, I'll put them together for him. There we go. Stop splitting. God, this guy's going to be a pain, isn't he? Okay, now the banner, so 66 and 65. Well, I'm pleased that the injection points on this aren't any on the very fragile parts. That could have been a pain. 65's right next to it. Circle this hand on, so looks like it wraps around here. Like that. Alright, I'm not going to try and glide it onto the model yet. I'll give it a chance to dry. So it looks like we take any head again. So go take, let's see, I'll take this number 16 here, it'll be easier that way. Okay, so grab the 16 again. Let's see what kind of arm he uses. So it looks like any arm. I think I'll go for a sword this time. I'll go for 34. Sometimes it's nice when you've got a bit of a mix of weaponry on a unit. I remember with old hammer, like the really old hammer metal models, they would just have such a random collection of weapons, some of the units, which in a lot of ways kind of works for that. I suppose you could call it like a thiefdom type of thing, where people just levy units. 21 for the hair. Let's find his hair. Over here. Yeah, they kind of, you know, any picking up ancient weapons and things like that, or old weapons and just taking them along. Sometimes when a unit just has like a absolute particular weapon type, it's good for the kind of playing, so a spearman unit, a axeman unit, but there's a certain joy to having a kind of a completely mixed unit of random weapons that basically makes them look like they've just been levied at short notice. Some of these are really easy to go on, I like that. Okay, let's get this banner on now. his feet glued quickly as well, so that banner has some additional support of the base if it needs it. There we go. Oh, that was a nice simple build as well. It was just that scion that was a long-winded build. There we go. That is our Glade banner bearer. All nice and done. So that's all sorted. As always, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.